Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you the multiple ways how you can fix for your Ford Mustang if the Bluetooth is not working. So it's super simple. The first thing that you're going to try to do, if it's going to be turned on, you have to turn on the car, press the volume button, and then you want to press the skip forward button. This is going to be the top right button next to the, you can have like right here like OK there. So this is the thing that you can try to do. Primarily it's going to also look like this. So you can have it also, it's going to look like this. So what you want to do again, same thing. You're gonna press and hold the volume button for and this button, the top right, which is going to be the forward, for like 3 to 5 seconds or even 10 seconds, and then it's going to right here the thing has been resetted. So that's about the reset that you can do. The second thing that you can try to do, just unpair your phone. So you would come to your phone and then go to top right settings, and then you're gonna have connections. Then you want to go to Bluetooth, and then you're going to have your car there. So you're going to press settings and you want to unpair it, and if it's possible you want to also unpair it from the phone from the car and car from the phone. This is another thing. And then what you're going to also do, not only this, box diagram, right? And it really depends what kind of like you have, but you're gonna have the 10A. It's going to be right here for the sync, and you want to take it out from the fuse panel. Take it out for 1 minute and you're going to put it back in. This is another thing that you can try to do. And then possibly you're going to fix that issue. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.